Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I share with you how quick and easy and cheap cook lunch or dinner for your family. Today we will use pasta for your choice, onion, carrots, pork mince, salt, pepper and little bit oil. First we put cook pasta as usual. And this time when we will cook pasta, we will prepare our vegetables and meat for our meal. Okay, water is heating and we will prepare our vegetables for our meal. If be honest, I not like cook and I never follow instruction and recipes, so I do it always quick and easy for me. And I show how I do this just normally when I'm cook for my family. I'm sure all moms not have time for cooking all day. So am I. Okay, this is ready. Now we on frying pan, preheat, add oil and little bit fry our vegetables first. Okay, our frying pan is ready. I throw everything in. Give little bit fry. Make it little bit nice and soft. Okay, we little bit fry. It's not cooked properly. Can't see. And we add our mince. Mix it together. Try make it not big clumps. Mince. Add salt and pepper. I use normal black pepper. Try smash it all. And need cook for nice little bit golden mince. now I make little bit slow cooker and keep it cooked properly. Our water nearly ready for our pasta. Okay, our water is ready and we throw in our pasta. I just always everything throwing on my eye. Now, okay. This is recipe, it's very old recipe, it's Russian people make it, I don't know, many years ago. I like this pasta. This is called, on Russian, its name macaroni po-flotsky. It's like, I don't know how it's translated, sorry. Pasta po-flotsky. Okay, when your pasta ready, we will add to our mince. Take off all water. Ta-da! Oops. And this needs mix very good and give few minutes on slow heat for little bit all juice from meat go through your pasta. Okay. Okay, it seems like ready. Put in your plate. And enjoy your meal.